To correctly use Quicken Deluxe 2024, start by installing the software and launching it on your computer. Once opened, you will be prompted to create a new file or open an existing one. If you are a new user, select Create a new file and follow the prompts to set up your Quicken account. The first step is to set up your financial accounts, including bank accounts, credit cards, and investments. You can do this by navigating to the Accounts tab and selecting Add Account. Quicken will then guide you through the process of linking your accounts to the software. Next, you will need to set up your budget. Quicken Deluxe 2024 offers a comprehensive budgeting tool that allows you to track your income and expenses. To set up your budget, navigate to the Planning tab and select Budget. From here, you can set financial goals and track your progress. One of the key features of Quicken Deluxe 2024 is its ability to track investments. To do this, navigate to the Investments tab and select Add Investment Account. Quicken will then guide you through the process of linking your investment accounts to the software. In addition to tracking investments, Quicken Deluxe 2024 also offers a bill tracking feature. To set up bill tracking, navigate to the Bills tab and select Add Bill. From here, you can set up reminders and track your bills. To get the most out of Quicken Deluxe 2024, it is essential to regularly update your accounts and track your progress. This can be done by navigating to the Accounts tab and selecting Update Accounts. Quicken will then update your accounts and provide you with a comprehensive overview of your financial situation. Quicken Deluxe 2024 also offers a range of reports and graphs that can help you understand your financial situation. To access these reports, navigate to the Reports tab and select the report you want to view. From here, you can view a range of reports, including income and expense reports, investment reports, and budget reports. By following these steps and using the features and tools offered by Quicken Deluxe 2024, you can take control of your finances and make informed decisions about your money. Remember to regularly update your accounts and track your progress to get the most out of the software.